What's cracking, y'all, and welcome to Love Jale. If you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when I post new videos. If you guys are new, what's up? My name is Jale, and if you guys are returning, what's cracking? But so you guys see this amazing wig. About to fall on my seat trying to get this box. But you guys see this wig, it's of course from Nice. This wig is seriously amazing. Like, it is really so cute and so easy to put on. Like, come on, it's starting to be winter. Of course, you know winter, that means long hair, don't care. Come on. So, and it's easy to put on. Just you can do it in less than 10 minutes. So let's get into the video, and I'm gonna show you how I installed this cute wig from Nice. Okay, so I'm going to be reviewing Nice wig, and of course it's a headband wig. And so we're gonna open up inside. We got the wig. We have the wig, and then inside we have a headband and a wig cap. And it comes inside this cute little bag that says Nice. So cute. So we're gonna open up the wig. Oh, and we also have another headband. I may use this one. And this is the wig. And so this is our ombre. It's so cute. I love the color. Oh my goodness. And it is 24 inches. Of course, I'm gonna put the description down below of the color and everything. So this is what the hair looks like. It is so soft. I seriously love Nice's wigs. It is amazing, and I'm so glad to do this color because I really love blonde. Just a little honey blonde. Let's try it on. So of course you have the combs inside with the Velcro straps. And then my hair is in cornrows, and I'm gonna put a wig cap on. So lay it down, but I put my hair in a little bun. But oh my goodness. But hair in. I'll put the wig cap on. There we go. So now I'm gonna put the wig on. This looks really cute. Oh my goodness. This may be my go-to one. I like this one. And of course, love the inches. And these already built-in body wave curls. Because I was thinking maybe I should curl it, but this looks really cute straight out the box. Almost not want to put on a headband, but I'm going to try it out with this one. And push it back. So you know I had to go and put on some earrings because it just didn't finish the look without earrings. But oh my goodness, this hair is amazing. You know what? This is about to be my go-to one because I'm loving the body and I love how thick this hair is. It is really thick and I love thickness. I don't know why. I just love having thick hair rather than thin hair. So this is thin hair just isn't for me. So I have to have thick because like it just looks more natural to me when it's thicker. But I'm loving these curls. Like this is so cute. Like it's just most definitely giving. Yeah. You see? Yeah. But no, I really love the hair. I really love Unice's wigs. Oh my goodness, I haven't had one of them. Oh, I haven't had one bad one from them at all. Cause like, this is really cute. Yes, give it to me. I really can't stop playing with this hair. Like, I wanted to do some styles for y'all, but just the way how this is down, you don't even need to do any styles with this one because I'll just leave it down. And I mean, if I wash it, then of course I'll put some more curls in it, but straight out the box, this is how it comes. And please go order it because I'm just seriously, I'm loving this one. I can't. No, Stephanie, check this. Get this one. This one's it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video and, you know, share it with their friends and let them know that this is the wig that they should be getting. Yes. And comment below what wigs you guys ordered and what styles you guys ordered from Unice, and just let me know your take on the hair that you receive, and probably send me some pictures too, because you know I want to see y'all slay this wig, because this is most definitely it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.